Entropy, the cosmic clock that ticks only one way, the reason why your coffee cools, why stars burn out, and why time feels like it only moves forward. But could we ever reverse it? What if the universe had a back door, a cosmic loophole that could change everything we know about time, energy, and existence itself? Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into the question, can we reverse entropy? The short answer is no. Not with the current laws of physics as we understand them. But don't click away just yet, because if the Brane theory of the universe is true, entropy might not be as big of a problem as we think. Let's explore why. Entropy is a measure of disorder in a system. According to the second law of thermodynamics, the total entropy of an isolated system always increases. Basically, things go from order to disorder. Your coffee doesn't reheat itself, stars don't unburn, and the universe tends toward a cold, lifeless state known as the heat death. Technically, you can reduce entropy locally, like when a refrigerator cools your food, but it increases entropy elsewhere. To truly reverse entropy on a universal scale would break current fundamental rules of physics. We'd need a perpetual motion machine. That's where the Brane theory comes in. Imagine our universe as a three-dimensional surface, a brane, floating in a higher dimensional space called the bulk. There could be countless other branes, each with its own universe, all drifting in this cosmic ocean. Some theories suggest the Big Bang itself was caused by two branes colliding, an event that released an unimaginable amount of energy, essentially resetting the entropy clock for our universe. If energy can flow between these branes, entropy might not be a closed-loop problem. Think about it. What if dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating our universe's expansion, is actually energy leaking in from a neighboring brane? This energy would be fresh and low entropy, giving the universe a continuous source of usable energy. Fresh energy from other branes could mean that we exist in a universe where the heat death never comes. The laws of thermodynamics tell us entropy wins in the end, but Brane theory suggests the story might be bigger than our universe alone. If energy flows between dimensions, perhaps there's always a cosmic reset button, a chance for new beginnings, new universes, and fresh cycles of energy. Maybe entropy isn't the end. Maybe it's just part of a bigger rhythm we haven't learned to hear yet. What do you think? Could energy flowing through dimensional branes solve the entropy problem? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love reading your theories. And hey, if you enjoyed this cosmic deep dive, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next adventure into the unknown. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.